Hello everyone, my name is Edward Murray, and this is my video review of Project 4, the last project of the Visual Frameworks course. I think this week there was a little less coding that needed to be done, which was good because I could spend a little extra time on the styling of the application. So for the coding, we had to do the JSON data, which was our just default data, so we didn't have to constantly add information into these fields in order to test our data. So you can see here I got my pop-up that says there's no recipe stored, default recipes were added. And then we get here and I did some styling to the data to kind of split it up so it didn't just all flow together. Gave it some background color, kind of like the form on the first page. And then you can see here I got my thumbnail images that are dynamically added based on the category. I chose to do category, which were my radio buttons, instead of the drop down menu, because the radio buttons are more of a generalized category and the recipe types were a more of a specific category. So I would end up having to constantly make thumbnail images for those as opposed to just a general category such as meat, and then meat gets into chicken, beef, pork, fish, so on and so forth. Um, some of the other stylings I did was for the add recipe button. Before it was just a link, and I ended up just creating a cool button here instead of having just a plain old link. And then I also styled the error messages a little bit, changed them to red and shrunk the font down instead of being the default black text in overly huge size. Overall, I enjoyed building this application. It was kind of nice to take what we've learned so far and make an actual working application. I have a couple ideas for some future applications to create. I think I might wait until we learn a little bit about jQuery and some other more advanced stuff before I really dive into those. Been bouncing around some ideas with friends and family and some web developers I have at work. So really looking forward to that and hope you guys enjoyed building this application as well.